Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up phpMyAdmin on VPS with Nginx authentication step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your virtual private server using SSH. Ensure that your server is up to date by running the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install the necessary PHP extensions by executing sudo apt-get install phpMyAdmin phpZip phpGD php. Once the extensions are installed, download the latest version of phpMyAdmin from the official website. Use git followed by the URL of the latest phpMyAdmin archive. After downloading, unzip the archive using the command tar-xvf phpMyAdmin-star.tar.gz. Rename the extracted folder to a more convenient name, like phpMyAdmin. Move the phpMyAdmin folder to your web server's root directory, typically found at /var/www/html. Now, navigate into the phpMyAdmin directory by using cd phpMyAdmin. Create a configuration file by copying the sample configuration with this command, cpconfig.sample.inc phpconfig.inc. Open the configuration file with a text editor like nanoconfig.inc php. In the config.inc php file, locate the line that begins with \$CFG, blowfish_secret. Generate a secure passphrase and add it between the single quotes. Save and close the text editor. Next, configure Nginx to serve phpMyAdmin by creating a new server block. Open a new configuration file with sudo nano/etc/nginx/sites available/myadmin. In this file, insert the server block configuration specifying the server name and the root directory. Ensure to set the index directive to include index.php. Next, configure the location blocks for PHP processing within this server block. Add a block that directs requests to phpMyAdmin to the appropriate PHP-FPM backend. Save the configuration file and exit the text editor. Create a symbolic link to enable the server block, sudo lns/etc/nginx/sites available/myadmin/etc/nginx. Test the Nginx configuration to ensure there are no syntax errors by running sudo nginxt. If the test is successful, reload Nginx to apply the changes with the command sudo systemcll reload nginx. Finally, set up basic authentication by installing tpacid utility if not already installed with sudo apt-get install apache 2 utils. Create a new password file and user with the command sudo tpacid c/etc/myadmin/.tpacid username. Follow the prompt to create a password for the user. Open the Nginx configuration file again and add an authentication block to the location directive for phpMyAdmin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.